Hello, my name is Mylee Mobley, and I'm a master's student at the University of Georgia in the Institute of Plant Breeding, Genetics, and Genomics. In this video, I will be demonstrating how wild peanuts are harvested from the National Peanut Collection. Wild peanuts are undomesticated relatives of the cultivated peanuts we buy at the grocery store. My department grows wild peanuts in the greenhouse because they are difficult to grow in a field setting due to their long spreading branches, and they require continuous maintenance in order to preserve genetic purity. In the first step, the plant labels are removed and placed in the harvest bag. Next, using the appropriate safety precautions, all dead branches are trimmed and removed and placed in the container to be thrown away when procedure is finished. In the second step, the remaining contents of the plant container are emptied into the soil sifter. Any remaining plant debris is removed and the soil is broken up. Turn the soil sifter on and let the soil separate and fall through the metal grid. This process may take a few minutes. Turn the soil sifter off once most of the soil has been removed. All of the soil contents will not be removed and will need further hand sifting. In the third step, all pods need to be collected and transferred into the triangle seed tray. This task is tedious and requires time and full attention. Any remaining plant debris will need to be hand sifted to ensure all pods are collected. This is because wild peanut species produce a small amount of small seeds. In the final step, all harvested pods need to be transferred into the harvest bag containing the plant labels. The harvest bag needs to be tied securely, and harvesting one plant is done.